In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an event in Circle. So, we'll break down the process so you can easily follow along and set up your very own event without a hitch. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Spaces. This is your starting point for hosting an event. Once you've clicked Spaces, choose the specific space where you plan to host your event. Selecting the correct space is crucial as this is where your event will be visible to your community or intended audience. With the right space selected, direct your attention to the top right of your screen where you'll find the Create Event button. Click on this button to start the creation of your event. Here's where the real planning begins. Next, it's time to fill in some essential details about your event. You'll need to enter an event title that succinctly describes what's happening. Something catchy and informative works best. Alongside the title, input the date and time your event will take place. This ensures that your attendees know exactly when to tune in or show up. Moving forward, you'll need to choose the format of your event under the section labeled Event Type. This is where you get to decide whether your event will be live, a live stream, or pre-recorded. Each option offers different benefits depending on your content and interaction needs. Consider what suits your audience best before making a decision. Once your event type has been selected, scroll down to the Invite Members section. Here, you have the choice to invite specific members directly by selecting their names from your member list. If your event is open to a broader audience, you can also copy the event link and share it through other channels, broadening your reach beyond your immediate circle. So community, when all the details are set, head back to the top right and click Publish. This final step ensures your event is live and visible to those you've invited or those who have access to the event link. It's like the final seal of approval on your perfectly planned event. Now, when the time comes to actually start your event, simply log into Circle.so and navigate to the same space where you scheduled your event. You'll find an option to start the event here, making it accessible for your attendees easily and efficiently. And no worries about how to conclude your event. You'll find an option to end the event when you're ready to wrap things up. This ensures a smooth and professional closure to your gathering, leaving attendees with a great impression. That covers everything you need to know about hosting an event in Circle.so. Follow these steps, keep your ideas clear, and you'll be hosting successful and engaging events in no time. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!